What's up, folks? Rob Anderson, Clean Power Wash, Salisbury, Maryland, the Delmarva Christmas lights. See right there? That means that I need to clean my own gutters. Got to get them done. I wonder who I'll call. I'll probably have to make myself do it one day. Show you here. Here's another sign of a very clogged gutter. So we've got it both flowing over the top of the gutter. It's busting out of the seams, and down there, sorry. Yeah, it's spraying out of there. That means that below the main portion of it is where it's clogged. There's actually a clog at that lower elbow. Now that's something when we actually do a gutter cleaning, we're going to remove the debris, flush the system. And it's really obvious with 8 gallons a minute if there's a clog somewhere else. Either the water is going to flow freely through it all the way to the bottom, or what we're going to see happen is exactly what's happening right there and up there. So we've got obviously one or more clogs in there. I'm going to say it's almost guaranteed that it's just that bottom part. And that those other areas are just where it's backing up further. Water will always find a way out. And right now, because it's pouring today, or whenever it's raining at your house, look out there and notice it. And if you see that it does need to get cleaned out, give us a buzz, send us a text, whatever. 410-251-0928, or just comment right on this post, send us a message. We'd love to take care of you. Thanks.